Mangal Maitri 10th class. Welcome to today's class. Children, today we will discuss about similar triangles under the topic triangles. Now we will discuss about similar figures. Children, two figures having the same shapes but not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. Or in other words, we can also say that the figures having the same shape but different sizes are called similar figures. We can understand it more clearly by taking an example. Children, in this example you can see there are two squares which have different sizes. You can see that both the squares have same shape, means all the angles of both the squares are obviously 90 degree, but their sizes are different. So both the squares are similar. Now children, we will discuss about congruent figures. Children, you have already studied in earlier classes about congruent figures. The word congruent means equal in all aspect, or the figure whose shapes and sizes are same. Children, congruent figures are those figures which are equal in shape and size. Children, there is slight difference between similar figures and congruent figures. If you compare both the figures, you can easily understand it that congruent figures are those figures which are equal in shape and size, but similar figures are those figures which are equal in shape but different in size. Children, let us understand it more clearly by this example. In this example, you can see there are two squares which are having the same size as well as they are having same shape. So children, both the squares are congruent because their shape and size are same. Now children, we will discuss about the congruent polygons. Children, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means you can say that two polygons having equal angles and ratio of sides equal are called similar polygons. To understand it more clearly, let me take an example. Children, in this example you can see in the figure that there are two quadrilaterals ABCD and PQRS. Children, all the corresponding angles of both the quadrilaterals are equal. As you can see, angle A and angle P both have same measurement 105 degree. Similarly, angle B is equal to angle Q because both have same measurement 100 degree. Angle C is equal to angle R because both have the same measurement 70 degree, and angle D is also equal to angle S having measurement 85 degree. So all the corresponding angles of both the quadrilaterals are same. Now children, let us check the ratio of sides. Children, the corresponding sides have measurement as you can see in this figure. AB side has measurement 1.5 centimeter and PQ side has measurement 3 centimeter. And if we find the ratio of AB and PQ, the measurement comes out 1/2. Similarly, if we find the ratio of the measurement of side BC and QR, which are 2.5 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively, then the ratio of 2.5 and 5 is again 1/2. Similarly, the ratio of side CD and side SR also comes here 1/2. If you divide 2.4 by 4.8, then the ratio comes here 1/2. Similarly, if you find the ratio of side AD and side PS, which are 2.1 and 4.2 centimeter respectively, if you find the ratio, it again comes 1/2. So children, it's clear that both the quadrilaterals have the angles, corresponding angles of same measurement, and the ratio of their corresponding sides are proportional, or you can say the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Hence, both the quadrilaterals are similar. Now children, we will discuss about the similarity criteria of two triangles. Children, just like the polygons, two triangles are also similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, or you can say their corresponding sides are proportional. So children, let us understand it more clearly by taking an example. Children, in this example you can see there are two triangles ABC and triangle DEF. Children, in both the triangles corresponding angles are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. And also their corresponding sides are proportional. That is, AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF equals to AC upon DF. So children, both the triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, are similar. So children, it's very easy to understand the similarity criteria. So keep on practicing at your home. Thank you.